Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's video, what we're gonna do is like one of my subscribers went ahead and asked, how can you record your own videos without anybody helping you out, or how you can go ahead and record your games when you play online without using any external hardware by just using the software so that you don't have to spend that much. And in this video, gone ahead and made for you a detailed explanation on how you can do that. So let's go to that part of the video and let's start watching that. Okay guys, now if you see, this is the OBS program and it's there in the inception mode as it is in the display capture. This is the display capture over here and you can see various options over here. Like you have my main camera Panasonic, you have the overhead camera and you have the side cam over here. So to add any of these sources, all you have to do is first go ahead and add any of the scenes over here, like scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, or you can name it like this Panasonic overhead or anything like that. And once you do that, you see the sources option over here. Go ahead and add whatever type, like video capture source. That is, while adding a camera you can use this. You can add a VLC source, you can add an image source, game capture source. That is, if you're going ahead and using a gaming capturing a game on your desktop, you will be able to use that. So let me go ahead and shift in between cameras and show you how this is working. For example, now it's in display capture mode over here. And now I'll be going ahead and going to my tertiary camera over here. So now you can see the screen over here clearly. There are two monitors here, if you can see that. So one monitor is just for the OBS program, where I can go ahead and move this from here and I can take it to the other monitor also. And the same thing, I can do it back depending on what I want. And you don't need any additional software apart from your normal capture card which you have, or any additional hardware. If you have a OBS, you don't have to spend about a lot of money on any switcher or anything. Like it's about 30,000 in Indian rupees, or about 340 pounds, or about $3,500 if you go ahead and check that. So all I'm doing over here is I can show you what I'm doing actually. If you can see here on a keypad, I have gone ahead and set up the hotkeys for it. I will be showing the hotkeys for this, how to set up in a keypad also. You can also use a normal keyboard for that. An example, I'm going to the first camera now. I'm just going to press here the number 1 in the keypad. So if you can see this, I'm in the first camera. Now if I go to the second camera, you'll be able to see my desk. And the third camera is showing the monitor. So that's all I'm doing over here by using the keypad, so that you don't require any additional switcher or anything like that. So now if I go to the display capture again, I'll show you how I've set this hotkeys over here. Like go to the settings over here and you'll be having something called as hotkeys. It's as simple as that after you download the OBS program. And here we have all the options like start streaming and like start recording, I put number pad 4, pause recording, I put number pad 5, and overhead camera, I put number pad 2, Panasonic, this is my main camera, I put number pad 1, number 3, like that. You can go ahead and mute also. Like example, if I'm talking now, I can press number pad 6 to go ahead and mute myself. It's as simple as it can get. while using this program. And if you are wondering where you can go ahead and download this program, even that I can go ahead and show you. You can just go ahead and let me just move this to my other screen, and you can open a normal web browser over here and go to OBS Studio. And the first link which comes over here for OBS Studio, just click on that and you'll be able to see for Windows, for Mac and for Linux. And now the latest version is there, 27.1.3, and it's free of cost. You're not going to pay anything extra for this. And once you download this program and once you download the program, you'll be able to go ahead and use that to go ahead and capture the game or anything. All you have to do is, I'll just go to my tertiary camera. I'll show you something over here by that. So if you go to tertiary camera, you can see that both the monitors has something over here. So in case you want to play a game or you want to do anything like that, bring it to the main camera. Bring it to the main monitor, whatever you're going to do. And this OBS Studio, I'll be taking it to the other camera. So you can see both are present now. Now if I go ahead and change it to display capture over here, I'll be able to capture the screen which I have it on my other monitor. It's as simple as that. I'll be doing that. The same way you can go ahead and play game on this monitor and you can display it on the other monitor also. Like you can play the game on this monitor and you can capture it on the other monitor. It's as simple as that, and you can catch the audio also. Like I have one of the audio sources over here. Like over here you can see that. You can add the audio source also like that to that. It's as simple as that. So let me just go ahead and close this. Let me get this back over here. And let me go back to the main cam. So as you can go ahead and see, it's as simple as that. You're not doing any extra effort over here. You're just downloading a program, and there are about thousands of videos how to set up your OBS online, which you'll be able to go ahead and set up your scenes and how to set the hotkeys and everything. All you need is a normal capture card by which you're connecting your camera to your, that's if you have a DSLR, you're connecting it to your computer. If you're just using a webcam or a mobile webcam, you don't even need that. It can be connected via a USB port. It's as simple as that. For example, I can show you, like I have a USB hub over here. Let me try to get that for you. See, I have a USB hub going in my desk over here, in which I have connected one of the webcams for this overhead shot which you're seeing. So it's as simple as that. You don't have to worry about anything. So this is the best way you can go ahead and record games, record your videos also, like what I'm doing now. And you can also go ahead and stream your videos, because OBS has the option of streaming also online. So as per my subscriber's request, I have gone ahead and made this video for him so that he can go ahead and do that. And in case you have any recommendations or you have any questions regarding any of your doubts, please go ahead and mention a comment below so that I can make a video on that for you. And last time, one of the subscribers has also gone ahead and asked for Samsung S8 charging time. I had mentioned in the comment for him like in case if you're using a wired charger and a wireless charger, what is the timing for that? I wish he can get that comment back. And in case you have any other doubts, please do write down. And if you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for the channel so that you can get various notifications. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.